Yeah, you're lucky I went there because I saved the fucking day and got your 7 OTS and you pulled a book on me. Well, we'll see what I fucking get. Which one do you want again? Oh yeah. Well, I want those too. So if I get it, I might keep it or see how it does. How the fuck do you open these things? Oh, there's actual sticker on it. Boom. Damn. Yeah, it's like a fold up. Oh, there's 4 packs? 4 packs. I thought there's only 3. Damn. Oh, damn. Extra foolish burial. Fucking Speedroid. Synchron carrier. Oh, Stardust Charge Warrior. Oh, damn. Super Poly. Yo. Yo. Another 2 of the same card. I'm glad I got Super Poly. Okay, give me a second here. Fuck. Oh, damn. Stupid. You only got 1 per pack? Huh? Oh. Oh. Kitchen. Kitchen Dragon Maid and 2 Dragon Maids in 1 pack. Union Harry Carrier. Fuck. Oh, damn. CDI. Yeah. Yeah. Called by the grave. Scrapper's like, oh, buddy. Guy of the Dragon Champion. Lose 1 turn. Barrier. Oh, Dryden. Dryden seems really common. Just run Union Carrier. And then you can run Buster and anything. Yeah, I think that's gonna get hit, definitely. Yeah, I mean, it might. White Prince. Oh, Harpy's Feather Duster. I got another one. I bought that today. Oh, Dark Rebellion, dude. That looks really nice. Might for some reason it's fucking shit quality. I want to see. Yeah, Coach Soldier, Wolfbark. Oh shit. Mech Knight. Alester the Invoker, alternate art. Ha, Master of Blades. Oh, dude, look at that. That looks so nice. Dude, dude, my camera is like putting this to shame. Damn. Oh, a mage power. A blue eyes or something. Yeah. There's so many at Treasure Chest. Union Carrier. Oh, Herald of Arclight. Damn. Condemn Witch. Oh, you can use that for Forbidden Droplet. Dark Lord. Oh, the shitty one. I'm. Yeah. 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 There can be only one Dragon Mirror. Oh, buddy. Yeah, you're talking that shit all about a second ago. Yeah, fuck. No. Oh, Imperm in the same pack, bro. Yo, that was a spicy. Whew. Damn. No. Oh yeah, I have seen those. Dude, that was. How much is the blue eyes right now? 500. And you want to give me $20 for it? Oh, What rarity is it? And what graphic? Oh, really? I'm not trading that blue eyes. Union Hanger. Lair of the Darkness. Oh. Madolce Knights. Oh, Eldritch, bro! Holy fuck. Damn, bro. I'm getting all the cards I wanted. And Nibiru, bro. Back to back. Dude. Dude. Shared right? Or no, Mystic. Dude, that's a good pull. Yeah. The dude let me choose what box I wanted. He's like, 1 or 2. I'm like, 3. Because he's like, oh, I'm like, well, there's 2 underneath. Well, they had a box, and in that box there were 4 left, and I got one of the bottom ones. This is like, do a recap of the sick ass cards. You gotta go to like treasure chest right away. And it was a day early. It's supposed to release tomorrow. So today, yeah, and give you OTS packs as you should. Oh, and Stratos. Oh, another Infernity. Yeah. Oh, Ghost Bell. Ghost Bell, dude. 2 of the same card in the same pack, alternate art, premium gold rare. Dude, same pack, same card, different art, premium gold, both of them. Yeah. What? Oh, give me a second here.